Hey guys, welcome back to Maria and Reggie's channel. Today I am going to be doing a little quarantine natural look. I'm putting on my headband so my hair is not in the way, and I already have moisturizer on my face, so that's all I'm checking so you guys see that I have moisturizer on my face. I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows. I am using this brand. Is it this one? Yeah, the Anastasia. You know what I mean. It's in the shade dark brown. Okay, so I am going to be shading in my eyebrows as naturally as possible. I don't like to use that much pomade because my eyebrows are a little thick, so I do have enough hair. So I just like to shade it in and give it a little type of angle as much as I can. And Reggie is sleeping, so that's why I'm doing this little voiceover right now. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the Anastasia Contour Cream Kit in the shade Neutral, which is the middle one at the top. That is the one I'm going to be using to shape my little eyebrows, to make them look more like sisters, just because my eyebrows are uneven and one is higher than the other. As you will see later on in this video, that even though my eyebrows might look off because of the angle, they are as twinning as possible, as best I can say. Yeah. Okay, so the palette I'm going to be using is the Pur BE Selfie palette that I got in a subscription box. I'm going to be using the natural and pure shades. Right now the only shade that I'm using is natural, and then later on I'm going to be using the pure. I only use these two shades just because this is a little natural, not too glam look that you can do in your like everyday life. So yeah. Okay, now I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer Mini. This is my first time using it. I just bought it off Sephora online when I was bored doing some shopping. And it is my first time using it, and honestly my makeup looked much smoother compared to my other primers. This is the mini one just because I wanted to try the primer first. Mini version compared to buying the whole big thing, and I actually do recommend anybody getting it. It was like $15 for this mini one, and it's like 0.33 ounces. So yeah, it has a lot of good reviews on Sephora. Okay, now I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation. I am the shade 240. The camera wouldn't give me good quality on it, but I am the shade 240, and I absolutely love this foundation compared to my other foundations, or like drugstore. This one and my Maybelline foundation are my top foundations, so I do recommend getting this one as well. And all I'm doing is just blending out my foundation with my brush. Okay, now that I'm done with foundation, I'm going to be using my Live Glam lip scrub. It is watermelon flavor. It's really good. I do have the subscription for Live Glam for every single month, so I do get new lippies, and I absolutely love it. Now I'm going to be using the Age Rewind from Maybelline. I'm the shade Neutralizer, and I'm going to be contouring and concealing my face. So, yep. Okay, Okay, now I'm gonna be blending out my concealer. It is a beauty blender that I'm using. It is not the exact brand from Beauty Blender, but it is like one of those good quality ones. And all I'm doing is blending out. As you can see, Reggie is up and about, moving. Um, and yeah, so all I'm doing now is going to be using setting powder, where I used concealer to make sure that my face is not oily or anything like that. And yeah. Okay, while my face is setting, I am going to be curling my eyelashes so I can add mascara, so then I can add my false lashes. Um, my lashes, my natural lashes, you can't really tell that I have any just because they're really like little. So I do prefer having lash extensions or false lashes. But yeah, you'll see the difference when I put on my actual lashes. And the mascara I'm using is a Sephora brand. It's the Bang. I can't remember off the top of my head while editing. But it's the Bad Gall Bang. You guys can see. Okay, so now I'm going to be using a brush to get rid of the excess powder that I have from the setting powder I used to set my face, and so I can start with my actual bronzer and blush. And I am by the window, so I am trying to use as much natural light. Also, I was using the light from the iPad, so because it was starting to get dark outside before I even ended this video, so that is why you will see it. Right now I'm going to be using the Shady Biz Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. It is the warm bronzer, and it is really light, so I do like to use it so it's not a full-on glam look, but it's more of like on the natural side. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to be using the Tarte Cosmetics Paaaarty Shade Blush. It is pretty light, so I do like it because it's not some like, it doesn't make me like look like I'm blushing, but it gives me some type of color. So that is all I'm doing right now, just adding a little blush. Okay, now I'm going to be adding my drugstore lashes. They are like the Kiss brand, and I think it's the number 11. So it comes like 5 of them, and for like $7. So it is really good price. If anybody wants to give me some of their lashes, you know, I'm down for it. Like I said earlier, I do have a subscription with Live Glam, so I do get 3 Lippies monthly for $19.99. I highly recommend. This is actually my favorite lip gloss from them. It's plain Jane, and yeah, so who doesn't want 3 lipsticks monthly, you know what I mean? Okay, lastly but not least, I'm going to be using my Dewy Finish NYX setting spray. I use this even though I use setting powder just because it gives me more of a finished, refreshed look. And all I'm doing now is that's showing you guys my finished natural look as much as possible. Like I said, my angle of camera makes my eyelashes look uneven, but I promise they're as close related as possible. So yeah, I really do hope you guys enjoy this look. And now I'm going to be taking off my headband, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe down below, and make sure you hit that notification button so you get notified every time we post a new video. And then you see Reggie in the back with his phone. Cool. Peace out.